Welcome to the channel. Today we will discuss how companies are leveraging artificial intelligence, AI, to transform their operations and the challenges faced when this technology is not implemented correctly. We look at several prominent examples of success and failure, showing the impact of strategic planning and the risks of not considering key aspects such as transparency and ethics, that if you want to learn how to implement AI effectively in your organization and avoid common mistakes, this video is for you. Amazon. Customer personalization. Amazon uses AI to analyze behavioral data and deliver personalized recommendations, as shown in the image. This has increased the conversion rate by 20%, significantly improving customer retention and cross-selling. General Electric. Predictive maintenance. GE employs machine learning algorithms to anticipate problems in its turbines. This approach has reduced unplanned downtime by 15% and maintenance costs by 10%. Netflix. Content optimization. Netflix analyzes viewing patterns to predict which content will be successful. This has increased customer retention by 25% and optimized its production budget by focusing on series and movies with high potential demand. Amazon. Hiring bias. An AI system developed to filter resumes showed gender bias, favoring male candidates due to skewed historical data. The image highlights how this error resulted in project abandonment, financial loss, and damage to the company's reputation. IBM Watson in healthcare promised to revolutionize medical diagnosis, but failed to deliver useful recommendations due to insufficiently diverse training data. This forced IBM to restructure its approach. Zillow. Inaccurate predictions. The Zestimate system overestimated property values, causing $500 million in losses and deteriorating confidence in the platform. This case shows how the lack of consideration of external variables can lead to serious errors. Aligning AI with business objectives. It is critical that AI projects are directly related to the organization's strategic goals to ensure a clear return on investment. Prioritize transparency and ethics. Lack of clarity in algorithms and ignorance of biases can lead to major failures, as demonstrated in the Amazon case. Human-machine collaboration. AI should complement, not replace, human expertise. This ensures that solutions are practical and adapted to the context. The cases presented highlight the enormous potential of AI to transform businesses, but also the risks of inadequate implementation. The key to success lies in sound strategic planning, ethical commitment, and collaboration between humans and technology. If you want to implement AI in your company effectively and minimize risks, contact me on LinkedIn for a personalized consultancy. Together, we can design a strategy tailored to your needs. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and learn how to buy time for your day-to-day business.